Hi and welcome back, guys. This reading is for the month of December for all people born on the 5th, the 14th, or the 23rd of any month. Let's see what December has in store for you. So, the oracle card. So, the first oracle card that I have drawn for you guys is Adi Nareshwar, which is the Adi Nareshwar. So in terms of what this god means is that you have half. So especially a lot of people are going to be, they're going to recognize their divine masculine and divine feminine. I see union. I see amalgamation, or forces. So your divine masculine or divine feminine, the energies within you are going to be combined. They are going to get together, and you are going to be unified. So I see spiritual, um, exchange of energies within you. So if you have to kind of meditate on someone for the month of December, Adi Nareshwar would be a good image you could kind of meditate on. So let's say what we are looking at, facility in married life. So because you are combining your divine masculine and divine feminine, we are talking about married life. Not only married life, but we are talking about couples coming into union, couples spending a lot of cozy time together, raising the kundalini energy. So a lot of people who have been waiting to reach the next level, in their spirituality, you are going to be in a position where you have enough power, where you are attracting enough power, to raise this energy. Knowledge of the universal oneness, ability to harmonize opposing viewpoints or forces. So you're going to be in a position where you are able to kind of harmonize, or where you are able to sort of combine the different point of views that you have, looking at things from a male perspective, looking at things from a female perspective. But in December, you are one. You are coming into union with yourself or with another person. Take it how it resonates with your person, with your situation. Maybe you are talking to somebody who has not offered you anything, but I see December, there is going to be an offer, a union, or something is coming. Somebody is going to communicate and tell you they want to be with you. The next card I have for you is generosity. Number 10, generosity, that you are going to be giving. You are going to be so full of love, and you are going to be giving, as in you are also going to be forgiving for a lot of people. You are going to forgive them, you are going to help them, you're going to be extremely helpful. So if you look at this card, you can actually see how Lord Ganesha is actually sharing, whatever. I think these are Roshagolas, and he's sharing this with his partner, as in a very loyal counterpart. And that is exactly what you guys are going to be doing. You are going to be sharing, and you are going to be coming into union with yourself or with the other person. So when I look at this card, I also see a lot of people, birth number 5 people gaining a lot of confidence in December. I am myself a number 5, so I think I can already relate to certain parts of these two cards that I have come up with. Let's see from tarot reading, what sort of cards we get and what is our advice. Okay. So, guys, the first card I have for you is the Seven of Raphael, which means time to make a decision. Be clear on what you want and take action, a need for detoxification. So you have to take action. You see, you're coming into union, Adi Nareshwar. uh, the energies within you are so high, they're going to be at a peak where you have to make decisions. And this is the Seven of Cups card. Seven of Cups is about having a realistic plan. It's about being realistic, looking at life as it is, and making up a choice that this is what you want. And if you get an offer from your person, or if you get a choice, coming into union is a choice. Which is the choice that you have to make this month in December? That is this what you really want? You might have multiple options, especially related to your career, especially related to where you want to go in life, or what do you want to do. It's the time, December, you have to make a decision. The next card I have for you is the Page of Raphael. A new emotional situation, messages regarding relationship or social invitations, great intuitive insights. I cannot strong enough. All number five people, December is going to be very emotional. You are going to be using your emotions. For a lot of people, it is going to be in regards to your counterpart, in regards to your person you're with, in regards to, your boyfriend, your husband, or, a potential partner. But emotions are going to play a very big role. You have to be very generous with your emotions, because there's going to be a lot of watery, flowy energy moving on. The next card I have for you is the Strength card. Strength and grace through kindness, self confidence, and forgiveness. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Remember, I told you this month you're going to come into confidence? Your self confidence is going to get better. Well, it's showing up with the Strength card. But Strength card is also talking about patience. And why is it talking about patience? Because coming into union, making choices, you need to have patience. You need to be aware of what you are missing in life to be able to kind of move forward. The next card I have for you is the Emperor, number 4. Stability and efficiency, taking charge of a situation, ambitious plans. You are going to be finally deciding what you are going to do. So, ambitious plans, especially for you people, number 5. The only two ways I can see it going is number 1, either in your love life, you are going to take a plan. Uh, Maybe you're going to choose a suitor you never thought you would choose, so that can happen. Or you're going to make an ambitious plan in regards to your career. I personally feel like a lot of people, number 5 people are undergoing transformation in their professional lives. A lot of things are changing. Let me know, comment and let me know if these things are happening with you. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Michael. Time to move quickly, choose logic over emotions, sudden changes. So I feel like this card is not for everyone, because I do feel, there's a lot of um, emotions, there's a lot of energy, especially people, who are spiritual. I see you guys are going to be going through a lot of energy fluctuations this month, because there's a lot of energy that's coming in, and you guys have to be, in a position to handle all this energy. So you have to, kind of choose quickly, you have to move quickly, and for these people you have to choose logic and be prepared for any sudden changes. The next card I have for you is the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. Being resistant to change, extremes in how you save or spend money. So you are going to be finally making a decision. For a lot of people, I think, especially, the ones who are worried about their love life and career, December is going to be an important, a significant month where you actually have to evaluate what you want to do. So Four of Ariel represents the Four of Pentacles card. So Four of Pentacles is, it's about being cautious. It's looking at a situation, especially, evaluating your future uh, wisely, thinking hard about it, thinking about whether, you want to make these decisions or not. So whatever decision you make today, how is it going to impact your future? You guys are going to be very worried about your future, and you're going to plan very well. This is how it's going to impact your generosity in terms of energy exchanges, in terms of finances. So, there are chances that you might come into a partnership. You are going to, do a partnership with somebody else. For all the people who are planning to start a business, a partnership seems like a good idea, and I see, a lot of people are going to be doing that. And this is your reading for the month of December. Merry Christmas, and let me know if this resonates or not.